thank you very much. Okay, so this is not advice to buy and sell. I think it's very important that we get this out of the way. Okay. Okay, so we will go through three parts. First part, I want to spend more time on the markets and less time on your individual stocks, because sometimes individual stocks, well, a lot. So what I want to do is to spend a little bit more time on the markets, and then at the same time also go through some of the basics. Okay, sometimes I notice that the basics is not there. Okay, so I will also help you all to do that. Okay, so I'll go through some of the basic again. Okay, like example, just scanning and things like that. Some of you all forgot, like scan by week, scan by month, or what. Okay, so and things like that. Okay, so later I'll go through that. Okay, so first thing first, I have right now good news. I have right now put in the portfolio inside here already. Okay, good, right? Okay, I've done this for you all. So whatever is here every week, instead of just do that, right now you have it over here. Okay, so you can do the screening on the watch list. I think you all will have this watch list very immediately. Okay, if you all refresh your page, you should have it immediately already. Take note that some of these are old signal. Okay, some of them ZM is like February time and things like that. Okay, but right now you can do scan, you can do a lot of other things with it. Okay, Mark and me, okay, Mark together with me is going to come up with another watch list. The other watch list, right, is not just going to be the usually we use the S&P 500 then ranked by the market cap, right? So right now he is coming out with a juicy watch list. Okay, the juicy watch list. Okay, we are still discussing how to put this in. This is something that is going to be not the normal way of looking at markets. Okay, not the normal looking at P ratio, debt ratio and stuff like that. Okay, it's going to be something that is different. Okay, so look out for that. Okay, the juicy watch list will be coming out soon. Okay, so yeah, so S&P watch list is very easy. I'll just put in that S&P watch list inside too. Okay, but I want to have a S&P watch list on steroids. Okay, that means not just ranked by market cap, but ranked by market cap plus something else. Do you follow what I'm saying? Not just ranked by market cap. So I want to do something that is a little bit ranked by market cap, because some of the market cap very tired already. So how to even rank by market cap but on steroids, okay, healthy steroids, and so that we know that these stocks in the S&P 500 will move. Okay, are you good? Now this is the present, okay, for my anniversary for you all. Okay, first one, this one is you all had the S&P watch list already done for you all, right? This one every week I go through, but now I've done for you all on the watch list side. Okay, but right now Mark and me is going to do another watch list. Okay, this is a different watch list, not the S&P watch list market cap. I think I will put that up also, but I want to do something extra, okay, on top of that. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the S&P 500 first. Okay, this is the weekly charts. Okay, this is the daily charts. Can you all see the pullback and the rebound? Yes or no? This is, don't know what batch you're in, okay, but every week we talk about the pullback and rebound. This is the pullback and rebound. But notice one thing, okay, this is the high. This is not really high. This is like equal high. But recently the price went this, okay, went this, and then instead of going up higher, it went like stop here. Okay, stop here. Okay, so there are a few things to observe from here. Number one, this drop over here, it is a big drop. Yes or no? Okay, this drop over here is an impulsive move. Okay, it's an impulsive move. Correct or not? Okay, of course, after that they come in and say some good news again, then the market go up, but the market go up didn't make new high. Okay, didn't make new high over here. So that is the context of the daily charts. Okay, daily charts is still going up, but it's not stop making new high. But on the weekly charts, I think the thing is clearer. Okay, on the weekly charts, the whole trend is clear. So right now, I want to practice use instead of using MA and CCI. I want to use Trader GPS, because sometimes when you use MA CCI, okay, blur. Okay, so let's look at the S&P 500 on Trader GPS, right? So you can see from here, price came down, price went up. Okay, support, resistance is here, support is here, candle turned blue. Okay, so what does it mean right now? Okay, what does it mean right now? If, okay, the operative word is if. If we can clear this high, okay, around 31, the high is 3233, yes or no? The high is 3, is it the try is 3233? Yeah, high is 3233. If it doesn't look like 3233. Okay, anyway, if we clear this high, okay, if we clear this high, right? Oh, sorry, 3155. Okay, if you can clear this high at 3155, we can go to 316 something, 7 something. Then we have the trigger on the long-term buy. Yes or no? Okay, if we have the previous week high, correct? This is the previous week high, correct? Right now, this is the previous week high, correct? Okay, David, this is the previous week high. This week haven't started yet. Okay, so if we can go above this 3155 and above, okay, let's give it some buffer. 3170, 3180. Okay, once we clear this high, then Traders GPS long-term signal will be there. Okay, long-term signal here like this. Okay, or Trader GPS long-term signal like this. Okay, that will be the buy. Okay, however, okay, there's a very key word. However, if it's not, then do not wait to not trigger buy in. Okay, because it must clear this high. Okay, so any point of the time this week, if it clears above that high, that will be a buy. Okay, do not need to wait for the end of the week. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so I still feel that the market is sideways. Okay, so when you go back to this resistance, this is the big resistance over here. Okay, any question? You can, this is only for index. Okay, only for index. Okay, so and the keyword is if. Okay, if. Okay, the word is if. If it doesn't, okay, and it clears this way down, okay, if it clears this way down, then I think it's still going down. Do you follow what I'm saying? So the keyword is if. Okay, clear? That is for long term, right? Okay, that's for long term. Okay, so next, any question? Okay, you do your individual setup, guys. Okay, you do individual setup. For example, you are doing PAS or WORK or whatever work or Coupe or NVIDIA or Beyond Meat. You do your individual trade setup. Okay, this is weekly position for S&P 500 over long term. Okay, S&P 500 over long term. So that is the key. Okay. S&P 500 position trade, wait for candlestick turn rate. Okay, that will be the key. Okay, let me move on. Next is next will be STI. Let's look at STI. STI, what do y'all think? Is it bullish or bearish? What do y'all think? Bearish, right? Okay, still bearish. Okay, so we can see from here. This is the weekly charts. You see, one of the good things of having a system, okay, one of the good things having a system is really being objective, okay, about the trade. Okay, so this is still bearish. Okay, we have broken above the resistance over here. This is the resistance over here, but trend and the mode remain bearish. Okay, if we can come back to here, Okay, if we can come back to this level over here, this is a long-term level to buy. Okay, this is a long-term level to buy. I feel that you should not miss out the opportunity this time around, because if you miss it here, over here you will miss it. Okay, then over here I don't know where is it going to be, because it's going to be higher later, right? This line is going to go higher later. So, but this is really a crisis level buy position. Okay, I think I mentioned this before. This is Asia financial crisis, global financial crisis, and now. Okay, so it's about 10-15% of this current price. Okay, so that should happen. Hopefully, it can happen in the next few months. Okay, then you can look at opportunity to get in. Same thing about property. Okay, understand that it's always lagging. Okay, it's always lagging. So after that, 6 months later will be still be good opportunity. Okay, next thing is Ryan. What if it never happen? If it never happen, then don't buy lah. Okay, okay. If you're long term, right? If you're long term, right, Ryan, right? If you're long term, if it doesn't go back to here, unless it can like turn back to blue, then you buy lah. But I don't think it will turn back to blue so fast, because you see from here, it's so far away from the comp. So the stock, the index got to work very, very hard in order for it to turn blue. Got it? Okay, next is Hang Seng. Hang Seng Index. Okay, Hang Seng Index is also bearish. Okay, it's also bearish, coming back to this support. Okay. Okay, Hang Seng Index is going back to this support. Can you do swing? Oh, you're all very fancy nowadays. Yes, you can do swing if you want to. STI or this one, you can do swing. Okay, so if you do a swing, the trigger is here. Okay, the stop loss is there. Use short as a hedge. Okay, do not use short as a, unless you want to like naked. That means there's pure short position. Okay, if not, just use it as a hedge to trade. Got it? Okay, same thing for STI. Same thing for STI. If you are shorting STI, use it as a hedge. Okay, so like that example here, we have the price hitting the MA. Okay, and we have this CCI over here. Okay, that will be a short. So below this level will be a short position, and above this level will be a stop loss. Okay, the TP will be back to here. Okay, the TP will be back to this level. Okay, so guys, this part, this last part of the move is going to be volatile. Okay, it's going to be volatile. Up and down also volatile, because the newbies in the market got no concept of price one. They chase stock one. Do you follow what I'm saying? They will chase stock. So when they chase stock, and it's dangerous lah. Okay, so like you see how they chase some of the bankrupt stock, you know, like gap up, you know. So it gap up one day, and next day it gap up again. Okay, so they chase stock one. So you need to be volatile. Okay, if not, then use position trading, 3 to 9 months. I think you'll be fine. Got it? Okay, any question on the index? I'm also doing research on REITs. Okay, I think maybe REITs, actually some of them there's value already, but it's just that we need to like look for good level you know, rather than just buy now. You know, you see a lot of the REITs, a lot of the REITs. I just share with you all. Can I share with you all something? Like this UOE Com REIT, it's like, it's nice. Okay, it's like, can you see this here? OUE Com REIT. This is like, they're selling like 70% below NAV. 70% below NAV. Okay, so what are they owning? They're owning Mandarin, they're owning UOB, Marina One, UOB, what's that one? UOB. Some of the, you're going to read, okay, some of the assets. All these assets are the good assets. Okay, it's like if you buy assets, right? These are really the good assets. Okay, the thing is when to buy. Okay, so if you mark right now, this is not a good time to buy. Okay, this is not a good time to buy. If we go back to here, then maybe I want to look at it. Good. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, now is not a good time to buy. In fact, now I think it has more or less run its course already. The up has like running out of steam already. Got it? Okay, so when it pull back down 30 cents, 30 over cents, I think it will be a good level to look at. Got it? Okay, this one is fundamental. This one actually no system one. Okay, this is just fundamental. Buy and hold 1-2 years. I think will be okay. Okay, so and it happened to the rest of the REITs also. This also happened to the rest of the REIT. If you go look at Capital Mall, almost all are the same. Okay. Okay, almost all are the same. So this time around, if we go down and see, by now you all know how this thing work, right? Okay, the swing trade setup. Okay, you all know how this thing work, right? Okay, the CCI high and this one here. Okay, so maybe back to here. This will be my market. Okay, so this one you need to calculate, right? The REIT will take a long time. Will take maybe 1 year, 2 years, 1 year at least. Okay, but you have to understand, right? You have to understand that some of these are priced in already. Okay, like I will say that the retail REITs are almost everyone is below and below NAV. So that's an example, right? You want to say, oh, Collin, I want to buy a shop. I want to buy a shop right now. Okay, so instead of buying a shop, right, in let's say somewhere, right, why don't you buy the expensive shop in the shopping center one? Okay, but this expensive shop valuation is buying, you're buying like 50% below the valuation. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like I want to buy one shop in Lucky Plaza, example. Okay, why don't you buy one shop in Wisma Atria? Okay, but this Wisma Atria shop is 30% or 50% below valuation and is paying you rental income. Cannot be whole place empty, right? Okay, so just to share with you all some ideas. Okay, anyway, this is not systematic trading. Systematic trading, this is more like investing long term. Okay, so let's go back to our okay, REITs. A retail REIT will take a lot of time to recover. Okay, but it's like pricing in. Okay, so just take note of that. Okay, so I will go through this list of stocks right now. If you have any question, then I go through a list of stocks. So just to recap again, how to do scan. Okay, basically we look at the this one is in NYSE. Okay, do NYSE rank by month. Okay, rank by month. Okay, rank by month. Daily charts, rank by month. Okay, these are the strong stocks. These are the weak stocks. Okay, these are the list of weak stocks over here. These are the list of strong stocks over here. Okay, so these are the strong stock over here. So notice here you will see the usual suspect. Yes or no? Okay, you will see the usual stocks. Okay, this one is NYSE, bit lesser, but you see NASDAQ, right? NASDAQ, how many of our NASDAQ stocks is our strong list? Okay, you see we have ETSY. Okay, we have ETSY here. Zoom, we have Zoom here. Okay, here we have Datadog. Some of you all buy, right? Coupa, some of you Coupa here. We have ZS. Some of you all bought, right? DocuSign. Okay, some of you all bought. Beyond Meat. Okay, Beyond Meat is also here. Guys, this one is since last month. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Since last month. Okay, since last month we have done this scan. Yes or no? Some of them Zoom since February I've done the scan. Okay, it remained on the strong list. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like RENG, right? RENG also I think is around here. Okay, so it is still strong stocks. Pinduoduo, you see Pinduoduo also here. Do you follow what I'm saying? Pinduoduo, we got it in May, 11th of May. Now it's 22nd of June already. 1 month and 10 days already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you understand the power of comparative. Okay, the power of comparative scan. Okay, so if it's strong, it remains strong until it changes. Okay, so today we will take one new stock. Okay, we haven't been adding any new stock for the last 2 weeks. Okay, so now we're gonna add one more new one. In fact, the reason why I don't add a lot of new stocks right now, because we have a lot we are holding already. Yes or not? Okay, we have a lot. Yeah, we are holding already. Okay, I'm looking at this one. Okay, looking at this one. Right now, this is a gap up. Okay, the price came down, and then this is the new price. Okay, I know you all will say that, oh, Collin, there's a lot of arrows already. Yes or not? Okay, got a lot of arrows already. Okay, so really, this one got a lot of arrows already. So this is like considered arrow number 1, valid arrow. This is considered arrow number 2, valid arrow. This is considered, this one no count, no count, no count, no count, no count, no count, because all no teeth, right? No teeth, no teeth, no teeth. This is considered arrow number 3, valid arrow. Okay, so this is considered arrow number 3. Okay lah, because I need to have some stocks for the last 2 or 3 batches. Okay, we don't have any stock. Okay, rate didn't reset. Okay, because there's no sell signal. Can you all see? There's no sell signal here because it didn't break the low. Yes or no? Okay, no reset. This is like third arrow lah. Okay, so third arrow, if you want to do third arrow, then maybe instead of 20%, you can do 30%. Okay, let's say example, you want to buy 20,000 worth of stock, you can buy maybe 30%, 6,000 worth. Okay, got it? Can? Okay, so this is CHGG. Okay, CHGG is the first one. Okay. Okay, so next one will be PAS. Okay. Okay, so the challenge with some of you is, which I discourage you is to learn new things. Not that learn new things is so good, but you learn things like Susan, right? Learn double, triple top, this kind of thing. It makes your trading more subjective. Do you follow what I'm saying? It makes your trading more subjective. Like you say Facebook or triple top. Things like. Guys, the idea, right, to make it into a system is so that your trading become less subjective. I'm not saying there's no good, but when you make it become very subjective, you got to do trend line, you got to do moving average, you got to look at chart pattern, you got to look at MACD, look at divergence. Then, guys, your trading become too complicated already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So the key is what? The key is not in getting a better entry. Okay, the key is not getting a better entry. The key is really about managing emotions. Okay, managing emotion is even better, more important than getting better entry. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, why? Because you can more zone one day earlier, or you can exit one day later. Doesn't make that difference. Because why? Because we got like Susan, right? We got do all these stocks already. Why don't you just keep it simple, just follow lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Just follow lah, So, and is it everything correct? No lah. We have the Gillette that was stopped out. We got Netflix that was stopped out, right? But majority of stocks still riding the trend. Do you follow what I'm saying? So don't need to make it so complicated one. Okay. In fact, you will make it. You learn more things. You learn MACD divergence, thing like that. You become very stressed. Do you follow what I'm saying? You become very stressed. Understand not? I want you to be successful. Okay. Okay, so I'll go through one more time. Okay, just now somebody asked how to do through the scan. You go to NY. Let's say today I'm looking at NYSE. Okay, so go to NYSE, rank by month. Okay, if you want to take out the week, you can just take out the week. I don't even take out the week. COMEX I also take out. Okay, so I ran out 10 by month, rank by and then that's all. Okay, rank by month, and then this is arrow number 17. Got it? Any question? Any question? No question. I think I better use this. Somebody is drilling on top. Okay. No question, Can you all hear the sound? Can you hear the noise? Can, Okay, then. But your upstairs later renovating. Okay, never mind. Okay, I just continue. Okay, so if we drill, then we got to use this already. Okay, so yes, upstairs renovating. Are you? Okay, any question? Okay, so just now the scan. Okay, right, guys? Okay, so let me move on. I think let me do this. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so let me just turn this up. Test. Okay. Okay, can you hear me? No, because I scared later boom, again, then we got to do this. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so I will go through the rest of the stocks. I think we won't go through. Do you want me to go through everyone? How many want to go through? No need, Okay, so you're okay, I assume you are good, Okay, so this one, this is PAS. Okay, PAS is having a lot of signal. Okay, so the support is over here, still holding. If you use the swing trade setup, you can see that it is a little bit like turning up, right? Can you see it? Oh, okay, haven't really turned up yet, but this is the PAS. Okay, so basically just follow the signal. Okay, next one is work. So not selling, PAS is the whole one, right? Okay, so next one is this one, work. Okay, basically nothing, just hang on. Okay, last few days was strong. Okay, it was strong, and then some Goldman Sachs guy gave a sell call on Slack, but it still closed up. Okay, let's see how it goes. You all see? Okay, Goldman Sachs analysts gave a sell call on Slack. Maybe they want to buy, I don't know. Okay, so next is HZNP. Okay, HZNP. Yeah, they give a sell call. Oh, HZNP very nice, right? Can you all see? Got another arrow again, HZNP. Oh, our call was 18th of May, which is like here, okay, around here. So there's another arrow here. PSS went through already, okay. Next one is BYND. BYND also nice, right? Recently. Oh, can you see? From 11th of May until now, we are up almost 75% already. This will be another winner again. Okay. Oh, sorry, we got 11th of May. Ours is not here. Ours is here. Okay. 11th of May. Okay. To date is about 17%. Okay, not bad, right? Okay. So next one is NVDA. NVDA also not bad, right? Okay. And next one is ETSY. ETSY also got signal recently. Yes or no? Okay, ETSY. Yes or no? Sui, right? Since 11th of May. Cook I miss. Is it I miss Cook, is it? Okay, so basically I just want to show you all no sell signal. Do you follow what I'm saying? No sell signal, what do you do? No sell signal, then just hang on. Do you follow what I'm saying? How many are holding to some of these stocks? Type yes. You are holding to some of this stock, right? You know, good lah, you know. Then hang on. Do you follow what I'm saying? And ETSY done already. mRNA. Some of this stock is getting close to my zero already. Can you see? mRNA is close to my zero already. So, but since the mRNA since 6th of April, here, right? Around here, 80%. If we drop below zero, then we're about 70%. We close. Okay. And next one is PTD. Okay, PTD also heading up. Can you see? PTD is heading up also. Okay, since 11th of May. So 11th of May here until here, we are 60%. Okay, REGN. I go through everyone. Okay, just to show you no sell signal. All no sell signal. This one also pushed up yesterday. Okay, 30% now. REGN, and last one is the M. Okay. This one up 160%. Okay, I finish up. Oh, still got two more. UAL still waiting for short. UAL still waiting for short. Not yet triggered. Okay, still waiting for short. This is a swing short setup. Not yet triggered. Okay, so now wait for the arrow to break below the candle. Okay, so wait for this to break below this price. This price is 35.51. Okay, so it go below 35.51, $35, you can short. Okay, and CVX is already shorted. CVX, these are all hedge. Okay, guys, these are all hedge position. This one already shorted, shorted already. Got it? I should put down the date also here. Okay, another day I put down the date over here. Okay, so I finished up all these stocks already. All these stocks, any question? Don't talk about your new stock first. New stock, this one, CHGG, right, guys? Swing trade setup, please go and watch the webinar. Okay, we won't go through this again. These are all daily position trading. Okay, these are all daily position trading. Okay, so today is this one, CHGG. Okay, I don't have a lot of stocks, guys. I don't have a lot of stocks. I don't have like 20 stocks. Choose one, because if I have 20 stocks, then choose one, then likelihood I'll hit one stock. But basically, 1 week does one stock, or 1 week does two stocks. Some of the weeks, right, I don't even have stocks. Yes or no? Oh, so the key is also don't have too many stocks. Okay. Guys, even CSGG, right? It is can be wrong one. How many percent would it be wrong? How often will it be wrong? Can you write down how many percent do you think will be wrong? I scared that your greed come back again. Okay, about 30-40% of the time. Please remember this, 30-40% of the time you'll be wrong. Okay, because if not, I scared you'll overtrade again. Okay, so this one, it broke new high. Okay, it broke new high. Use the trader GPS. This is the arrow with teeth. So where will be the trigger? Trigger is what? Can you all write down your trigger price? Write down your trigger price. Don't FOMO. Yes, don't FOMO. What is the trigger price? There's no reset. I already say there's no reset. $69.05. Yes or no? So above $69.05. So $69 and how much? $69.20 around there. I got $19. Hello. $69.20 around. Yes or no? Don't have 53 cents also wrong. Yeah, you're also different. Okay. Screen is vibrating. Okay. Can got it? Don't FOMO. Okay, guys. This is third signal already. Okay, why? Because arrow number 1 happened here. This is the one arrow with teeth. Okay, this is the second arrow with teeth. This one didn't reset. Why? Because there's no sell signal. Yes or no? How do I know? How do I know when there's a sell? How do I know when it's a sell signal? When the arrow turn, when the candle turn red, and then what happened? And then it must break low. Yes or no? It must break low. Did this candle break low? Didn't break low. Yes or no? So did it reset? No reset lah. Oh, so now this is the third arrow. Then you just do maybe 30% of the usual size. Got it? That's what I'm saying lah. Okay. BYD, right? BYD also can. Okay, so BYD, BYND. This is our first arrow with teeth. Okay lah, first arrow with teeth, yes or no? This is the second arrow with teeth. By right, we should have got in here, but I got in later. I got in like 18 or something like that. I got in like here or something like that. Okay, okay, and then this is the third arrow already. Yes or no? This is the third arrow already. Okay, first, second, third arrow. Okay, got it. This one I think don't enter already lah. Fourth arrow already. Yes or no? Plus, you see now we have the new system, right? Got so many arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 arrow. If you do not want to enter with teeth, you can also enter without teeth, but smaller size. Okay, by now I think you all know, right? Okay, you can enter this one with teeth. This one without teeth, you can enter smaller size. With teeth, this one without teeth, you can enter smaller size. Must trigger. Okay, must trigger. Okay, teeth. Please go and watch the video. I've done this nice video for you already. You all keep asking the same question again. Okay, I've done video for you. Please go and watch through the video rather than I don't want to go through this over here. Okay, go through the video, then go through this. Okay, go through this part. Okay, this part, go through this part. Okay, and also watch the PDF. Okay, I'll also look for the PDF. Okay, look out for the PDF, and then PDF is inside the comments. Okay, got it? Any question? Okay, go and watch through the video. Okay, how to enter and things like that. Okay, it's very clear over here. Got it? It's also in the premium members area. Yes, we do everything, do like contingency, extra. Here have, then traders member area also have. Also, you go to trader members area. You can also go and watch that. Okay, if you all don't watch, then you all ask. Then it's like keep repeating myself. Okay, under the master class, go and watch through. Okay, I've done it already. Go and watch through. Don't always ask the same question here. Okay, it's also here, guys. If Facebook cannot find, then you find it here. Okay, under the master class. Okay, for live trading or master class, everything is done here already. Okay. Okay, so let me move on to the stocks. Okay, just now, SGEN, SGEN, let's take a look. SGEN also not bad. Okay, I also saw this stock, SGEN. Okay, the only thing is, that's why I saw the vol. Yeah, you just follow the signal, okay? Just follow the signal. This is reset. Yes or no? Because you have the buy signal, reset 0. Because eventually it break below the low. Yes or no? The candle here, eventually it break below the low, so it resetted here. Then becomes 0%. Okay. Then now is the first arrow and breaking up the teeth. Again, you need to wait for trigger. What is the trigger price? Can you time the trigger price here? So 170.26 plus 0.2%. So 100 and don't use 1 cent, okay? Use like 0.2% or something like that. Got it? Okay, don't use 1 cent. Okay, use like 0.2%. So it's at 170.760, is it? 170.60. Okay. No, the reset only when you sell, correct? If you have a 1 arrow like that, right? 1 candle like that, it's not reset. It's because there is a sell signal. Okay, you see arrow candlestick turn red, then break below the low. That's why you reset. Got it? Clear? Yes, if you understand. Okay. Just multiply by 1.002. Correct. Okay, so can y'all type in your stocks again, because just now we were asked. TDOC, right? Okay, now I go to your individual stocks, TDOC, but maybe don't spend so much time here. TDOC is also same, reset, yes or no? Or candlestick turn rate, reset. This is arrow number 1. This is arrow number 2. If you are doing aggressive entry, this is arrow number 1. You only buy maybe 10%, 20% of the position. Here you add on 10-20%. If you use the early entry, okay. Or of course, this one with TIF you can do the 50%. Okay. Can you? Wow, so many stocks. Can you swing trade DDOC? Can you swing trade DDOC? How to swing trade DDOC? Swing already what? Can you see? Already in the swing, right? Unless you went in earlier here, okay, this part. Got it? Okay, right now just wait for it is breaking out already. Okay. Next one, AYX. AYX also breaking out, right? Let's count how many arrows. 1, 2, and third belly arrow. Is it clear 6 by high? Yeah, this one also not bad. Okay. AYX, guys. Oh, AYX also not bad. Oh, all this must trigger, guys. Okay, this one triggered already. Yes or no? Triggered already. Yes or no? This one triggered already. Okay, 1 or 2 more, then we call it a day. NUAN. NUAN. You see, the good things is, guys, you all notice, right? The good things, you all are selecting uptrending stocks right now. Do you all follow what I'm saying? The good thing, you are selecting uptrend. Do you all notice that almost every stock that we pick is almost uptrending stocks? This one also is uptrending stocks. Yes or no? Okay. Versus if you buy those stocks, that's downtrending one. Okay, downtrending. So these are all uptrending stocks. Got it? By the fact that you are doing this means you got a higher chance of making money. Yes or no? Okay, I do last one, then we call it a day. Okay, I think you all more or less get it. You all are following the system. You all are doing the stock. Well, this one got how many arrows? 1, 2. This is the arrow. Okay, must trigger. Okay, same thing, must trigger. Got it? Must break above the high of this candle. If it doesn't break, then you use the new candle as a trigger. Okay, guys. Okay lah. Last one. NINCY. Okay, INCY. Okay, also same thing, reset, right? This one is a reset already. This is arrow number 1. Got it? Can? These are all, guys, must trigger. Okay, I say again, must trigger. All this must trigger, because if it doesn't trigger, that means the breakout is not correct. Okay? Got it? Okay, so let me summarize, guys. Okay, the summary is like that. Okay, the summary is number 1, the purpose of having a system is to be systematic about your trading. Do you follow what I'm saying? It is not to get greedy. It is not to get fearful. Do you follow what I'm saying? That is the purpose of having a system. If you add in other things, right, into the system, it makes your trading very complicated. Then you add up stress again. Do you follow what I'm saying? Is it 100%? No. It can be wrong. Yes or no? By wrong, let's cut. Do you follow what I'm saying? So if you do like that, right, then minimum, right, even you don't make money, at least you less stress. I rather you don't make money and less stress, then you stress and lose money. Do you follow? Like every day you like, hey, do we hold, do we buy, and things like that. Just follow the system. Okay? STI when I think not yet. Okay, wait for it to drop yet. Not yet. Okay, still got way to go. Okay, back to the trendline support. Okay, so I think that will be the takeaway for you all. Okay, so can you all do me a favor? Can type yes if you can do me a favor. Tomorrow we have a class. Okay, tomorrow we have a class, a web class. So can you invite your friends if your friends need this? Ayo, I hear so many people lose money. I mean, not in our community, outside. Okay, sometimes they PM me and things like, Collin, I lost so much money. I lost all my life savings. And they're like, oh, I see it, very heartache. Okay, I very heartache. Okay, so recently even got one Robin Hood. Okay, the day I don't know why we joke about Robin Hood and things like that. Then really got one guy committed suicide. Frankly, I feel sad also. Okay, I feel sad also. So for those people who anyhow trade one, that if you are there may be people out there that are like feeling stressed because of this market. The guy who lost 730,000, or so-called he thought he lost 730,000. They don't know what to do, you see. They don't know what to do. So our role, our job is we find that this is good, then share this with people. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Let's share this with people. Okay. I cannot guarantee a lot of things, but I can guarantee you one thing is I will continue to do this as long as I can do this. Do you follow what I'm saying? Do you follow what I'm saying? So the key is you cannot learn trading in 1 day or 2 days, okay, or one class, okay. The key is we go it over and over again, like the link not working, okay. I'll post up the link later again, can. So so invest in yourself, correct? Invest in yourself. At least don't end up anyhow trade. It's very sad. Okay, it's very sad when people who don't know trading come into the market, lose money, and then lose their life. I think that is like wrong. So I make that like a mission for myself. Hey, even though not everyone, at the end of the day, you heard of this thing before, right? 9 out of 10 people lose money in the stock market. Why is it that people lose money in the stock market? It's not because they are not smart. It's because greed come in, fear come in. That's why it becomes like that. Do you follow what I'm saying? It becomes like that. So if you're going to review through, it's always psychological. It's always about money management. There is no 100%. There is no 100% one. Even like we choose all these stocks, and the other day can be wrong one. Okay, I think I've seen me like chose like Gillette or Netflix or whatever. Wrong, right? Wrong, then get out. Got it? Okay. So, but the key is really not be stressed and have a system, have a method to manage your trade. Yes or no? You all agree? I think people who have with me long enough in this journey, last few months, you all know that it is just like that. Okay, it's just like that. There's no secret to the trading. It's just managing your emotion and just, hey, hi Jimmy, and just doing the right thing. Then the next thing is really just having a community. Like you're right now you have like how many we got like 280 of you joining us, excluding those on Facebook, right? Today I shared this on Facebook also. So those people at the end of the day, don't overtrade lah. You will never lose so much money if you follow our way, right? Yes or no? Okay. So yes, and then I'm like the stabilizer, right? You all get carried away, and I say, hey, don't get so carried away. Then when you all get fearful, and hey, don't get so fearful. It's like the stabilizer. Okay. So when MIA, yes. Okay. So if you're MIA since 2015, then contact Shirley. Okay. Then she can get you into the next class. All the refresher is free, right? You all know, right? Guys, you all know, right? If you're like old student, you want to come for class, it's all free. Okay. Like Kelvin, I don't know whether it's the same Kelvin now, but Kelvin is a very old student also. Yes or no? Okay. So just go and contact them and do this. Okay. Unless you are the very, 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 very old one. Okay. If not, then unless we don't have records. If we have records, everything is free for Is it free for life? I think so. I tell them don't charge. Okay. Okay, so if not, then I leave you all with this. Okay, maybe through to this week I will do one class. Okay, to talk about people who lose their job. Okay, I don't know who lah. Okay, but some of y'all really like lost your job. Then I'm thinking like how to do this. Okay, so I will do one more class. Nothing to do with trading one. I'll do one more class to share with you, okay, about losing a job and how to find back your yeah, guys especially, like guys is working is like an esteem thing, so it's very important that we get this sorted out. Okay, so I'll do one class. I haven't decided when. Okay, when I have free slot, I will do one class on this part. Okay, and then we see how we can also do together. Example, a referral program or something like that. Okay, so at the end of the day is to get you back to your feet. Okay, hey, by the way, there are some guys who, business people who sell watches one, do renovation one. If you all are doing business, right, and you all need support, then PM me. Okay, I will try my best to get the word out. Okay, must it be those without job? No need lah. Okay, must it be those without job then can join the class? No. It's open to everyone. Okay, it's open to everyone. Those using Algo Merchant one, stop using lah. Use our new system can, but you can still come for refresher, no problem. Okay, Eric. Oh, you can still come for refresher, no problem. Okay. Eric, answer your question. Send the link. I haven't do yet. Okay, I will do it. Then I will share. Think of a business for you all. Okay, I'll think of a business for you all. That is win-win one. Okay, so that I will do it. Hopefully by. Okay, so if not, then thank you very much, guys. Thanks for accompanying me every Monday. Thanks, y'all. Okay, so participate in the Facebook group, participate in whatever, in the public group also participate. Okay, no, thank you. See y'all. Have a good day. Bye-bye.